How to turn on or off dark mode on Reddit. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up on how we can turn on or off dark mode on our Reddit app. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to turn on or off dark mode on Reddit, you just need to follow some steps. It is very easy. So first of all, launch your Reddit app on your device. After launching it, you will be able to see your home page. So in order to change it, you just need to tap on your profile at the right side. You can see your profile. Just tap on settings after that. And when you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see this dark mode option. Right now, my device, I have selected dark mode, so it automatically selects the dark mode. But if you want to change it into light, let's say I'm just gonna tap on this light theme and tap on mint or whatever. But before that, let me just turn off this auto dark mode, and you can see just like that my phone settings dark mode has been removed from this particular app. So you may just tap on that in order to turn it off, or you may just use the dark mode on the app. You may just use this toggle option here. You can see light theme here with mint, pony and everything. You can change the colors like this, and in dark theme you have this midnight amyloid, which means when you turn it on you can see this midnight amyloid, or you may just get to night and you can see how it changes back to different modes on Reddit. And just like that, you can turn on dark mode on, turn off dark mode on Reddit just by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.